In this tutorial, we will see how to create dynamic routing in React.js. And you can see we have here blog 1 and blog 2 folders. And I gonna delete these folders right now. Let me crop them. And here I gonna create a folder. And I will write here braces. These braces will now point out that there is an array inside. I gonna type its name as slug, and inside that slug I gonna take a file which is named as page.js. So if I click on that page, let me show you. No, I don't have these links right now. I gonna remove it. If I save it, we have written here simply a blog, but we don't need to write here blog right now. What we have to do here, if I write anything besides that blog, we would be directed to our that blog. Let me write here. I'm not going to type this link right now. Now if I save it, and inside that blog I gonna type something, blog post. No, I gonna export it at the bottom. Default blog post, and here we should have to pass a parameter. This is not a parameter, but this is a props, and Next.js would use here a special parameter as params. Now if I save it and refresh that page, and if I move inside my blog, you will see here we have that blog component, and again I gonna write here blog, and I gonna type anything else. Now we are directed automatically to that blog post, but we have not given here link. After that blogs, if we write anything, we will be directed to that route. So this is dynamic routing, that if we type anything, it's up to us. I'm just going to take these values. You can see we are still inside that component. This is just because we have created here a blog component, a blog folder, which is basically a blog component, because we have used here page.js, which is a next component right now. You can say this can be React component, and inside that blog component or folder we have another folder which is named as slug. You can type any name, it's up to you, but just to point out this name, we should have to type any name. So I have created here a slug, so I have given it as like array, and if we type anything after that blog, we will directed to that component. So let me show you that how can we fetch the values that we have given the path. I am just going to use here a br tag, and here I gonna type, I'm just going to display the values what the user have created. I'm just going to type here params dot slug, we should write it inside curly braces. Now if I save it and move to output, you will see that we have the path that we have given to that page or that component. If we type here anything, it will get this value and display it here inside that component. So this is dynamic routing.